Hello everybody. Today we're going to do some more history and it is going to be an inquiry lesson. But first let's have a little think about some language from history. What does the word century mean? Pause the video and have a little think. Maybe chat to an adult at home about what this word means. Did you have any ideas? Well, a century means 100 years, a period of time that lasts 100 years. So we've learnt a little bit about Mary C. Cole. Mary had learnt her caring skills from her mother, who was a nurse. Her mother worked in a boarding house where 6 soldiers lived, and Mary helped her from a very young age. She was very interested in medicine and she learnt a great deal about Jamaican herbal treatments from her mother, who was also known as a doctress, a herbal doctor that used plants to cure illnesses. Today, I'm going to be showing you a picture. It's of an object from a long time ago, and I'm just going to show it to you piece by piece. And I want you to look really carefully. What do you notice? Here's the first part. Have a good look. What can you notice? What can you see? Here's another piece. Oh, could it be a bowl of some sort? Keep looking and thinking. Look closely. Do you notice it's like a mottled colour? That sort of looks like a bit like a rolling pin. And now we have the whole picture. So here's some of the things that I noticed. I notice that the object is a mottled colour and looks quite hard like stone. As I look carefully, I can see that it is some kind of container or bowl. Just on the right side, I notice a small chip on the bowl. There's a few chips. At the front, it looks a little bit pointed like a ship. So these are the things that I notice. This section is about questions. What questions can you ask about this object? You might use some of the words from the top of our page. What, how, why? There might be other question words as well. Who, when, where? Here are some of my ideas. What would have been put inside this small bowl? Who would have used this bowl? Why does a bowl have a sort of rolling pin? And what do you do with it? Was this object used to help sick people in hospital? The last section of the inquiry. I think. So this is where you can predict what you think this bowl is used for, or how it was used, or who may have used it. I think this object was used a very long time ago, maybe when Mary C. Cole was alive. I think this small bowl may have been used to squash food or seeds in it. I think nurses may have used it to make medicine for sick people. There might be other things that you think. I think this object is very old because I can see chips on the side of the bowl. So your home learning challenge is to choose one of these pictures and write about what you notice, the questions you have, and what you think the object may be used for or how it was used. There's also a word bank that you can use to help you start some of the sentences or some useful words. Bye bye.